1. VII's Bite and Sting Relief Device, $23. Mosquitoes are an unavoidable part of summer, and while some try out strange hacks, like the Brazilian radio station that used ultrasonic frequencies to ward them off, there's little science to back those up. But if you're dealing with itchy bites or painful stings, VII's is a gadget that actually works. This compact device uses heat therapy to break down toxins in the skin, which reduces itching, swelling, and discomfort. Whether it's a mosquito bite, bee sting, or ant nip, just apply the device for a few seconds and feel the relief. It's chemical-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin and even kids. And at just $23, it's a steal for what it delivers. 2. Cacnon Cordless Air Duster, $34. Ever wonder what's lurking inside your keyboard or computer tower? Dust, crumbs, maybe even a few bugs if it's been a while. Instead of using wasteful canned air, grab this powerful, cordless air duster from Cacnon. It spins up to a jaw-dropping 110,000 RPM and comes with 5 nozzle attachments for everything from tight PC corners to camera lenses. There are 3 speeds to choose from, plus a built-in backlight for dim environments. Bonus, it doubles as an inflator for air mattresses and yoga balls. Durable, reusable, and eco-friendly, $34 well spent. 3. Free Shot Golf Belt Accessory, $54.50. The number of golfers in Europe rivals Portugal's entire population, and enthusiasts are always on the hunt for performance and convenience. Enter Free Shot. This all-in-one golf accessory clips to your belt and includes ball holders, a divot tool, and custom ball markers, all accessible without removing your glove. Designed to stay out of the way during your swing, it's as much about function as it is about flair. At $54.50, it's a classy gift for any golfer, from newbies to seasoned pros. 4. Draft Top Lift Can Opener, $22. Forget wrestling with aluminum cans at your next barbecue. The Draft Top Lift is a sleek can opener that removes the top of soda or beer cans with surgical precision. No sharp edges, no mess. It's especially popular in beer-loving countries like the Czech Republic, where the average person downs 84 liters a year. The Draft Top Lift is ambidextrous and portable, so whether you're left or right-handed, you'll get clean results every time. A must-have for tailgates and beach parties, and it fits in your pocket for just $22. 5. WEM Lamp, Origami Night Light, $28. This is no ordinary lamp. The WEM lamp combines design and practicality with its foldable origami-style body and compact wooden base. It weighs as much as an ice cream cone and fits in your pocket when folded. Use it for late-night reading, dinner ambience, or a soft glow at bedtime. With up to 5 hours of battery life and a charming paper aesthetic, it's the perfect blend of minimalist design and portability, all for $28. 6. Okupa UT3 Pro Hand Warmers, $43. These aren't just hand warmers, they're a winter survival kit in your pocket. The Okupa UT3 Pro heats up to 58 degrees Celsius and offers 4 temperature settings. With up to 15 hours of warmth on a full charge, it's great for office days or mountain hikes. It even functions as a power bank, giving your phone 3.5 charges. The ergonomic shape resembles a wireless mouse, and the velvety coating adds a luxurious feel. Durable enough to last 4 centuries, according to the seller, Highlander would approve. 7. Keyhole Companion Marking Tool, $37. Whether you're a carpenter, DIYer, or weekend hobbyist, precision marking can be a pain. The AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion set makes it simple. Swipe it across wood, plastic, or metal and get clean, accurate marks. It comes with both black and white ink for different surfaces, and when you're done, the marks erase with a magic eraser or alcohol. It's clean, efficient, and priced right at $37. 8. Fellow M3 Helmet Camera, $833. For motorcyclists, the Fellow M3 is a beast. This helmet-mounted camera offers a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, full HD video at 30 frames per second, and a 7-hour battery life, one of the longest on the market. It includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and compatibility with police radio equipment. Anti-shake tech ensures clear video even at high speeds. Record your entire ride or use it as evidence in case of an incident. At $833, it's an investment, but a solid one for serious riders. 9. Ion Air Pro 3 Action Camera, $300. If you're into action sports or underwater filming, check out the Ion Air Pro 3. This rugged camera can dive up to 10 meters without needing a waterproof case. something even GoPro's Hero 3 can't do. It shoots in full HD, flips orientation automatically, and includes mounts for your helmet or belt. The base kit includes a tripod and mounting hardware, making this a versatile choice for adventurers. Priced at $300, it's a strong mid-tier competitor in the action cam world. 10. PetLibro Air Automatic Feeder, $50+. Pet owners know the chaos of a knocked-over food bowl. The PetLibro Air fixes that with a tip-proof design and a tamper-resistant lid. This automatic feeder dispenses up to 6 meals a day and runs on either electricity or D batteries. A single set of batteries lasts 180 days. It stores up to 2 liters of kibble and includes models with cameras or RFID tag recognition. The base model is just $50, but if you want smart features, be prepared to spend a bit more. 11. Tractive GPS Pet Tracker, $50 plus $5 per month. Over 3 million dogs enter shelters each year in the US alone. Many just got lost. The Tractive GPS Tracker helps prevent that. This lightweight collar attachment tracks your pet in real time and lasts up to 35 days per charge. It connects via a SIM card with a $5 per month subscription. You can monitor your pet's location from anywhere via smartphone. At $50 upfront, it's peace of mind every pet owner should consider. 12. Kenji Flip Clock, $43. Minimalism meets retro in the Kenji Flip Clock. With its brushed steel frame and bold, easy-to-read numbers, it looks like a piece of art in your kitchen or office. Quartz movement ensures precision, and it runs quietly, so it won't disrupt your space. It's a perfect gift, whether it's for Christmas or International Soup Day, for just $43. 13. Kulyalai Mini Fridge, $27. Weighing just 1.8 kilograms and holding 4 liters, the Kulyalai Mini Fridge is ideal for skincare, drinks, or even breast milk storage. It's whisper quiet and works off a car charger, wall socket, or USB. If your room is 24 degrees Celsius, the inside will stay around 2 degrees Celsius, perfect for a late-night snack or cold serum. And at only $27, it's one of the best mini appliances you can get. 14. T-Beetle EDC, $119. A curious mix between a fidget toy and a bottle opener, the T-Beetle is made from solid titanium and offers just 2 functions: clicking and opening bottles. But it's the tactile feel and premium design that make it popular. It's minimalist, durable, and ideal for those who like to keep their EDC gear lightweight and efficient. Yes, it costs $119, but for many, the satisfaction it brings is worth every penny. 15. Woobin X0 EDC Torch, $72. This flashlight is built like a tank. The Woobin X0 has 7 lighting modes, including SOS and strobe, and casts a 125-meter beam. The 130-hour battery life in moonlight mode is especially handy for campers or night workers. It's water-resistant, compact, and has a magnetic base for hands-free lighting. 16. Unihertz Tank 3 Smartphone, $550. Meet the Tank 3, part phone, part power station. It's got a 23,800 mAh battery, that's 6.5 times more than an iPhone 15 Pro, and 120W fast charging. This beast also includes a laser rangefinder, LED panel, and up to 32 GB of RAM. Designed for adventurers, gamers, or those who simply hate charging often, the $550 price tag gets you serious firepower. 17. Beef D 2016 Feature Phone, $33. If the Tank 3 is too intense, the Beef D 2016 is a charming alternative. For $33, you get a rugged feature phone with a built-in flashlight and a loudspeaker nearly 4 centimeters wide. It's perfect as a backup device or for anyone looking for a break from screen time. Reliable, basic, and budget-friendly. 18. SDR-YD Running Sensor, $367. Take your running to the next level with SDR-YD. This smart sensor attaches to your shoe and tracks speed, terrain, fatigue, and wind resistance. No phone or GPS required. Using power-based metrics, like cyclists do, SDR-YD helps runners optimize their pace and training efficiency. A dual sensor set with a 1-year subscription runs $367. 19. Hyperwhistle, World's Loudest Whistle, $27. At 142 dB, the Hyperwhistle is louder than a jet taking off and is officially the world's loudest whistle. You can hear it from over 3 kilometers away, and yes, it even works underwater. Perfect for safety kits, rescue teams, or extreme sports, it comes with a reusable earplug chain and costs just $27. 20. Subminimal Nanofoamer V2, $49.50. Craving cafe-style lattes at home? The Nanofoamer V2 delivers silky milk foam in just 30 seconds. No steam required. Its upgraded motor is 25% more powerful, and it's built for precision latte art. Lightweight and cordless, it's a dream tool for aspiring home baristas at $49.50. 21. Aula H530 Spinner Mouse, $31. Merge productivity with play thanks to this quirky gadget. The AULA H530 is a fidget spinner and a fully functional gaming mouse rolled into one. It offers adjustable DPI up to 4,800 and features 15 LED lighting modes. Perfect for gamers and fidgeters alike, and at $31, it's surprisingly affordable. 22. Halicool Mini Vacuum Cleaner, $15. This adorable desktop vacuum is ideal for cleaning crumbs, dust, or pet hair off your workspace. It runs for 4 hours on a single charge and looks like something straight out of WALL-E. Fun, functional, and only $15. What's not to love? 23. Go Hang It Picture Hanging Tool, $37. Hanging art or photo frames can be frustrating. Go Hang It solves that with built-in hooks, a level, and a marking pin. No more guessing or crooked frames. Set up a gallery wall in minutes with this $37 gadget. It's a DIYer's dream.